In this video, we will show how to fix apps that appear blurry on Windows 11, especially you can see now in this screen, half of the screen is blurry and the other screen is okay. And when I move my mouse, especially in the area, everything becomes good. And after when the mouse is away, out of focus, blur text or even blur icons appear to be. I mean, see here how even the minimize or the restore is blurry. And when the mouse moves over, the blur goes away and after immediately comes back. So if you have NVIDIA card and you have activated one option, only one option can trigger this, and this is the anti-aliasing FFA. So if you turn this off and you restart the app, everything will be fine. So press this, close the app, start the app. You see this blur doesn't come again. So once you click here, you see it doesn't comes back. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Bye bye.